Today's meditation will be done sitting comfortably, legs on the ground in front of you or crossed comfortably. Your back is tall and straight. Hands are gently resting in your lap. Begin to settle in with deep inhales, slow, full exhales. With every breath, releasing deeper into the moment. This meditation is a practice of self-acceptance. Many of us are incredibly critical of ourselves. We compare ourselves to others constantly. We focus on what we think we lack, as opposed to all we are and all we're meant to become. We judge how we think, how we feel, what we do and what we don't do. And this type of thinking serves no good purpose. When you deny self-acceptance, you cripple self-esteem, and it's your self-esteem that allows you to believe in your worth and your ability. How you think about yourself impacts your emotional well-being and your future goal achievement. We can only create and experience as much joy as we believe we're worthy and capable of. You can only know as much health, physically or emotionally, as you believe you're worthy and capable of. The body can't go where the mind doesn't take it. Maybe you feel that a lack of acceptance will drive you to do more or be more. But acceptance is not being complacent. Thinking that judging yourself or being critical of yourself will drive you is like a car engine running on crude oil. It's corrosive and not sustainable. But when you function from a place of self-acceptance, you treat yourself with respect and appreciation. You give yourself loving kindness. It's like running that engine on pure sunlight. Shifting your focus from one of judgment to one of acceptance will take time and dedication, but it is the most powerful, meaningful, joyful way forward. So, start by bringing your focus back to the breath, allowing yourself to be in this moment, observing any feelings, emotional or physical, without judgment. Now, shift the focus from the breath to the body. Notice if you're feeling tight or tender. Do you feel strong? Or do you feel under the weather? Are you in good health? Or do you have a health issue you've been struggling with? There's no right or wrong answer. If the answer isn't positive, The key is not pushing it away, but welcoming it as part of your experience, accepting whatever is going on, and allowing it without judgment. Instead of attacking the parts you think are weak or less than, breathe a kind and gentle energy into those areas. Imagine how you would treat a child or a loved one who might be experiencing discomfort. Would you criticize them? Would you pick them apart? Or would you offer love, gentle guidance, acceptance, empathy, and understanding? If you have pain in your body, don't hate your body and think it's broken. Love your body because it's in pain. And it is this love that will heal the pain in your body. You send it love and you show it love. You take actions of love that are based in self-care. And you send thoughts and feelings of love to that part of your body. Now observe your emotional state. Take an inventory of the feelings that come up. Are you feeling calm or happy? Content? Maybe you're feeling sad or lonely, angry or frustrated. Don't try to change it. Sit with it. Let it live and breathe and play out. When we judge how we feel, we often deny ourselves the experiences and the growth opportunities our emotions provide. Permit these feelings without judgment. Observe them. Sit with them without judgment. Nothing good comes from judgment. At best, it's an exercise in futility, but more likely it's stunting your growth and your capacity for joy and achievement. Instead of judging yourself, shift your focus to all the things that make you special. And your imperfections are part of what makes you unique. We struggle to admit our flaws, and when we finally do, we find it hard to live with them. But it is these very things that make us human. These things are the texture in the fabric of our existence. They're there to help us grow and become the person we're meant to be. Accepting who you are in this moment instead of tearing yourself apart is how you gain the courage to do the work. It's how you build the confidence in your ability to achieve your goals. So take a moment to congratulate your efforts. The fact that you've shown up for this practice is brave and courageous unto itself. Celebrate your wins. And go forward acknowledging that every step in the right direction is exactly that, a step in the right direction. And as your judgments dissolve, your happiness will grow. This isn't easy. It takes time and conscious efforts to be loving and nurturing with yourself. But learning how to love yourself and treat yourself well will impact the quality of your life and all the things you're able to accomplish. And as this practice comes to a close, notice how it feels to rest in a compassionate state of self-love and acceptance, releasing yourself from expectation and allowing yourself to simply be.